Alright guys, while I've got the opportunity, we've got 105 series here and the customer's come in to get one of our roof mount kits installed. He had a bit of customization. You want it mounted on the other angle, on the other direction, so we had to cut out for the Anderson plug. So we can do that if that's something you need. On his front runner roof rack system, he will eventually have an Anderson plug up here with 12 volt, which will plug from there to there. But just so we could activate it today, this is an option you do have. You can actually just plug a Anderson plug from there into USB-C on one of our cables, and you can run it off a power bank if you wanted to. So in this case here, it's drawing about 30 to 35 watts, and it's running off the power bank just so we can activate it today for the customer. And at least when he gets his 12 volt sorted, he can just plug in his 12 volt and he'll be good as gold to go. So these cases basically come with a pre-built step up inside, and it will accept all different ranges of voltages from 20 volt USB-C off a power bank, Ryobi battery Ryobi battery 18 volt, 24 volt DC systems. You just plug it in. You don't need a different model or make. You just plug it straight into this one and it's universal, and it'll just accept it and convert the voltage accordingly for the Starlink Mini. It's literally that simple. So if you're looking for any Starlink solutions, allterrain.com.au. Or if you're in Melbourne, head over to our Braeside store. We're open Monday to Friday, 10 till 4 p.m. And majority of our customers that come into our store will always walk out with everything they need. We stock most of our products. If we don't have it in stock, it's just because we've literally sold out. We don't drop ship. We don't do anything like that. And a lot of our products are actually designed based on our customers' requirements over time. So we do a lot of customizations. Our origin for our business was about making customized solutions for people that needed a particular type of solution for their Starlink Mini. Even before Starlink Mini, we used to do V2 Starlink, V3 standard Starlink, high performance Starlink, and we had a solution for pretty much any case. We even fabricate and modify things to basically work the way that you come in to see us and tell us how you want it to work, basically. Do a lot of the things on site. It's just a matter of you guys waiting. Or if we're in a really busy period, we can take your order and you can come back later in the day and come pick it up. But anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you have any questions, chuck them in the comments below or just give our store a call.